Welcome to Ocean School. We're a free environmental education resource for students in grades 5 to 12. Come explore our growing library of ocean resources. We've got everything from micro-documentaries to 360 videos, some amazing AR and VR simulations, and so much more. It's easy to filter our resources. Collections bring together content by theme or an inquiry question, perfect for planning a multi-day lesson plan. Looking for something specific? You can also filter by grade, time, subject, and media type. Every single piece of media on Ocean School comes with an activity to deepen the learning. Preview the activity here. Or download the resources as PowerPoint and Google Slide documents. Ready to share a resource with your students? Just copy the link or push it to Google Classroom or Teams. It's simple to customize a collection for your class. Click on the toggles to remove anything you don't need. Lastly, come visit our community blog for news. Click on Educator Voices to get inspired by other teachers using Ocean School. And let the ocean be your classroom.